The moving crib is a Catholic crib that's based in Parnell Square in Dublin 1, and it's been on the go since 1956. So next year we're doing a big refurbishment of the crib for its 70th anniversary. One of the things about these is that they're all done with pulleys and strings and wires because they are mechanical figurines. 13 scenes from the Bible. We have 120 different figurines. As you can see, the figurines moving. We have 120 of them. It's my job to make sure that they all work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. As per usual, there's always something, but our camel has stopped working. So we're doing, as I said, next year is a big refurbishment on the whole place, and hopefully that camel will be then fixed. And obviously the main focus is the nativity scene in Bethlehem, the birth of Jesus Christ.
And for many years, there's a lot of children come back here.
Oh yeah, we have not just children, there's one family that come here and they're on their 4th generation. So not only do kids come, people come back and forth all the time. And it's a great tradition. And the one thing that I will say is we're open from the 27th of November to the 4th of January. It's free. So it'll always remain free. It's one of the things that we've kind of specified, that we really want it to be something simple and something lovely that people can come as a tradition, start a new tradition in Dublin. And it's not going to cost you anything. And then there's activities for kids here as well. As you can see from the leaves around, we get kids to draw in and colour in leaves. We would stick it here and it would remain here forever and ever. So this is a new attraction that we got in from a Father Farrelly. And he's been collecting cribs from around the world for the last 40 years, 50 years. I love this one, the Native American. This one here I love is in a little boat, a typical Peruvian boat. So this is a crib we rescued from Belgium. When you come here, you will learn a little bit. We're not trying to push the Bible down your throat. We're not trying to teach you. It's just, you will pick up the stories of the Bible. Each scene has a little explanation. It's 2 or 3 sentences long, just tells you a little bit about what the Bible is trying to get, the message it's trying to get across. It's so unique and it's so unusual. And you know what we're trying to do is we're trying to make it so that it's going to last for another 70 years.